Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 BMW X6. So from any screen, we're on Sat Nav at the moment, but you've got media, menu, telephone, nav, option and back. If we go to menu and then just turn the eye control here to telephone, click telephone. Over here, it's on the split screen at the moment. And you don't exactly get to see what you need to see because of the split screen. So if I knock it over to the split screen, you've got split screen display there when that's highlighted. Click on split screen display, easy for me to say. And then I'll just go entertainment details, split screen off. So Barry's iPhone. If I knock over there like that, now split screen you can select, but the most important thing is Barry's iPhone 12 here. We go down, configure device or remove device from list. So if you're actually displaying something over on the split screen, you won't see that little menu, so you have to knock the split screen off and go back over. That's how you delete a mobile. It can be confusing, and I probably didn't make it any better then. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 BMW X6. So we go, make sure Bluetooth is on. We're watching out at the bottom here, but I'll just back out of this. There you go. Just back out of this, and then if we click on telephone, you'll see there's nothing in at the moment, so it gives me the option to add new device, or alternatively we'll just go out of there again and go to nav. If we go to menu and then go to telephone, add new device, so you get to the same place but with two different methods. So we want add new device, so we click select add new device, and it's already come up here at the bottom, BMW 98057. It tells you there that's what it will identify as, just in case you're unsure, as a lot of people are these days. Enter identical passkeys for vehicle and Bluetooth device. So I'm just going to do it simple here, 4 noughts. So click the thing, it's on naught, click it 4 times, and then turn the selector till OK is highlighted. OK, we've put 4 noughts in, naught, 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 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. It's telling me I'm 49 minutes away from work there, and it's connected at the top, BMW. So that's it. One of the other things you will notice, there's a tick by telephone data transfer and audio. If there's no tick by audio, you won't be able to play music from your mobile through the audio system in this vehicle. So just make sure you've got them all ticked and then click OK. That's just to acknowledge that if you use data, it'll cost you money. So that's it. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 BMW X6. Again, this isn't straightforward. Whoever thought of this wants a good hiding, for want of a better phrase. So I'll show you. If we go to music, let's say days like this, Van Morrison. So we'll click play. I'm going to turn this down. You see at the bottom there, if I click on the silver triangle and the circles there, you've got a choice, iPhone, BMW. So with that tick there, this is paired to the audio system. Whatever you play through this phone, whatever audio, whether you're watching a YouTube video or it's Spotify or Amazon Prime Music or iTunes, the audio will come through the system if you have it set right. Now then, if we go to media, here we go, we'll click on media, we'll just go back across there till you get the menu up here, CD, DVD, music collection, external devices, TV, tone, Bluetooth audio. Now you would think that, let's bring that screen back, you would think that you would need to go to Bluetooth audio. So you go to Bluetooth audio, click on that, and there you go, Barry's iPhone there, but there's no music coming out. That's turned up. There's no music coming out. But the issue is that's not the screen you want. You don't want Bluetooth audio, which is, again, BMW designers insane. So back, and then we wind it up to external devices. Click on external devices, and now select Barry's iPhone 12. Or whatever your phone's called. So that's it. We'll turn that up, and when I turn this up, so that's how you play music or stream music from your phone through the system. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the Sat Nav in this 2013 BMW X6. So any screen, nav is over here, second one down on the right hand side. Click on Sat Nav. If you haven't used it already, you probably have to just click to accept that you're not going to get distracted, and then knock over there. There you go, you've got route criteria, points of interest, traffic information, interactive map. We'll just knock over again, and you've got destination input. So that's what you want, and just knock back. So like so, knock over once, knock over twice, and then the menu comes up for your destination. Click destination, city and postcode there. Postcode there. Select postcode. Our new address is Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, PR. Now we need numbers, and there's no sign of them here at all. So confusing. So you have to wind it down here, and then you see numbers and symbols. So we click on that, numbers and symbols. So we're PR5, 4, uppercase letters. We've got to select uppercase letters again. E, A. Papa Romeo 5, 4 Echo Alpha, and that's it. That's the address. Select the address. It's asking me for a street. I don't want a street. I just want to get close enough. Accept destination, and then start guidance.
Please make a U-turn if possible.
That's how you do it.